Hello all, in this video we will see how to place the components in the PCB. Mainly we will focus on how to place the components on top side and bottom side of a PCB. So the one you see here in the layout is a two-layer PCB, and we are planning to have a uh, two-side placement, that means double side placement, which meant components on top as well as bottom. Now let us assume we want to have this U3, okay, U3 chip on the bottom side. Right now, if you see on the left here, the front side copper, okay, is brown. Okay, that means the copper that is indicated, and then you can see here the bottom side copper is indicated by um, slightly bluish color. Okay, so now if you see this arrangement, when you see that the pads are in red color, that means this is on the top placement. So to change it to bottom, okay, click on the component first, okay, and click F. When you click F, you can see that the component has changed color with respect to the color that is indicated on the right here, and it has moved to the bottom side. That means the component is on the bottom side. So if you wish, you can place components on the top side on top of it, based on whether you have any bias or thermal bias or anything, whatever. So that's your decision. So we are just indicating that this can be placed like this or whatever based on the requirement. Okay, so this is how you shift. Now if you are completely new to the KiCad and if you don't know the shortcut, generally how do we place on top and bottom is, first of all, select the component, okay, and right click on the component, okay, and you can see change side flip with shortcut E, or still if you don't know what is change side flip, click on properties. Clicking on properties of anything is a common that we do, right? Click on properties and you can see here, in the properties window, there is an option side, okay, back as well as front. So now already it is selected as back because we moved to the back side. Now if we move to the front and click OK, you can see it got changed to the top side, right? So this is how you place the components on the top and bottom side of the PCB.